Hi friends, welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. In this video, we'll discuss Chapter 3 Matrices, Exercise 3.1, Very Short Answer Questions. Before going to start this video, if you missed the introduction of matrices, the link is in the description. So once you check in the description box. Now let's start our video. Chapter 3 Matrices, Exercise 3.1, Very Short Answer Questions. First question. Construct a 3x2 matrix A equal to Aij whose elements are given by. In this question, two sub-questions are there. First question. Aij equal to I plus j. Solution for this. Solution. The 3x2 matrix Aij equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. 3x2 matrix contains 6 elements. Answer for this. A11. First one refers to I, another one refers to j. So, I equal to 1, j equal to 1. A11 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. A12. I equal to 1, j equal to 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. A21. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. A22. I equal to 2, j equal to 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. A31. I equal to 3, j equal to 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. A32. I equal to 3, j equal to 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So, substitute A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32 in place of these numbers. Aij equal to A11 means 2. A12 equal to 3. A21 equal to 3. A22 equal to 4. A31 equal to 4. A32 equal to 5. Now coming to second question. Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. For both questions this is same. The 3x2 matrix Aij equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A31. Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. A11, I equal to 1, j equal to 1 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 1 minus 3 into 1, 3 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 2. In modulus, minus 2 becomes positive 2. Then 2 by 2 equal to 1. A12 equal to 1 by 2. I means 1, j means 2. 1 minus 3 into 2, 6 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 5 equal to 5 by 2. A21 equal to 1 by 2. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. 2 minus 3 into 1, 3 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 1. In modulus, minus 1 becomes positive 1 equal to 1 by 2. A22. I equal to 2, j equal to 2 equal to 1 by 2. 2 minus 3 into 2, 6 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of minus 4. 4 by 2, 2. A31. I equal to 3, j equal to 1 equal to 1 by 2 modulus of 3 minus 3 equal to 0. A32. 1 by 2 modulus of 3 minus 6 minus 3. So 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3. In modulus minus 3 it will become as plus 3. So 3 by 2 is answer. Now substitute these all answers in place of A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Then answer will be like this. Aij equal to A11 answer is 1. A12 answer is 5 by 2. A21 answer is 1 by 2. A22 answer is 2. A31 answer is 0. A32 answer is 3 by 2. Second question. Specify the order of the following matrix. This question contains 4 sub-questions. We should write its order. It contains row 1, row 2, row 3. That means 3 rows it has. And how many columns it has? Only 1 column. So 3 rows, 1 column equal to 3 by 1. Second sub-question. 2, 1, 3 minus 4. How many rows it has? Only 1 row. So 1 row it has. How many columns it has? C1, C2, C3, C4. It has 4 columns. 1 row, 4 columns equal to 1 by 4. Third sub-question. Minus 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 1. How many rows it has? Row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows it has. How many columns it has? C1, C2. It has 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns equal to 3 by 2. Fourth sub-question. 0, 3, 6, minus 18, 6, 9, 12, 0, 12, 15, 1, 3. How many rows it has? Row 1, row 2, row 3. It has 3 rows. How many columns? C1, C2, C3, C4. 3 rows and 4 columns it has equal to 3 by 4. Third question. Find the trace of 1, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 0, 0, 1. Solution. First write the definition of trace of a matrix. The sum of the elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix is called the trace of a matrix. Given that 1, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 0, 0, 1. This is the principal diagonal of a trace of a matrix. So, trace of A equal to 1 plus of minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 plus of minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. So answer is plus 1. Therefore trace of A equal to 1. Fourth question. Find the additive inverse of A where A equal to I 0 1 0 minus I 2 minus 1 1 5. Solution. The additive inverse of A matrix is A equal to minus A. The condition for additive inverse is A equal to minus A. Given matrix, substitute A value here and minus A you write same. Substitute A value here. Equal to, you should multiply minus with all elements which is in matrix, then minus I into I, minus I, minus into 0, minus 0, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 0, minus 0, minus into minus I, plus I, minus into 2, minus 2, minus into minus 1, plus 1, minus into 1, minus 1, minus into 5, minus 5. Now minus I, 0, minus 1, 0, I, minus 2, 1, minus 1, minus 5. Okay friends, I'll meet you next class. Until then, take care.